Good morning students. Today we are going to start our new chapter lines and angles. It is chapter 6 lines and angles. First we can learn or we can revise some mathematical terms, some angles. We can revise some angles there that you already studied in the previous years. That is first one, acute angle. You know what is acute angle? There is an angle which is greater than, whose measure is greater than 0 degree and it is less than 90 degree. Then obtuse angle, that is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, 90 to 180, that is obtuse angle. Then right angle, an angle which measures is 90 degree, that is right angle. Then straight line or straight angle, that means the angles whose measurement is 180 degree, that is straight angle means that is a line. The angles on a line is straight angle, this line is straight angle, that is 180 degree. Then complementary angles. Complementary angles means the sum of if the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then it is complementary angle. Then supplementary angle is there. If sum of two angles is 180 degree, that is supplementary angle. Then one more angle is there, that is reflex angle. We can study about reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle means the angles whose measurement is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Now we can look how we can mark reflex angle. Reflex angle, we can mark reflex angle, that is, this is reflex angle, that is it is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. Reflex angle means the angle which is greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. Then collinear points, we can look how it is a collinear point there. Okay, we can look what is a collinear point. Collinear points. Collinear points. Collinear points means if three or more points lie on a line, if three or more points lie on a line, then these points are called, if the points are P1, P2, P3, then these P1, P2, P3 are called collinear points. If three or more points lie on a line, then these points are called collinear points. If they are not on a line, then they are called non-collinear points. Okay, we can look what is an adjacent angle. If two angles, let this be two angles, A, O, B, C. Look these angles, angle BOC, angle BOC and angle AOC. Angle BOC and this angle AOC. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex. That is, here O is the common vertex. Two angles, these two angles, we can say that these two angles are adjacent angles if they have a common vertex, common arm. This is the arm there, BO, AO, OC are the arms. Then if they have a common arm, look here, OC is a common arm for these two angles. So one common vertex, one common arm is there, then the non-common arms are on the different sides of the common arm. Common vertex, common arms should be there, and the non-common arms, here the non-common arms are AO and OB. These non-common arms are on the different sides of the common arm, that is the AO and OB are on the two sides of the common arm OC. Then only we can say that these two angles are adjacent angles. Once again I am repeating, two angles are said to be adjacent angles. They should have a common vertex, they should have a common arm, and the non-common arms are on the different sides of the common arm. Then we can say that these two angles BOC and angle AOC are adjacent angles. Okay, then we can look what is a linear pair angles. That also we already studied that linear pair. This is an important angle. Linear pair angles. What is linear pair angles? We said that here what is adjacent angle, that is common vertex, common arm and non-common arms on the both side of the common arms. If these non-common arms, here O, C, B. Okay. If these known common arms are on the two sides, if they are adjacent, if they are non-common arms are on the two sides of the common arm, if the non-common arms forms a straight line, here the non-common arms are OA and OB here. If the non-common arms form a straight line, then we can say that these two angles are linear pair angles. If the non-common arms forms a straight line, then we can say that these two angles form a these two angles are linear pair angles. Okay, linear pair, angle AOC and angle BOC are linear pair. Okay. Okay, then we can study two axioms. Axiom means, what is an axiom? Axiom means it is a universally accepted general truth. That is a true statement. That is axiom. This is universally accepted general truth are called axiom. We use these axioms to prove our theorems and all. Okay. Then we can study two axioms here. First axiom is, if a ray stands on a line, if a ray, this is a ray, stands on a line, if a ray stands on a line, then what we can say? Then the sum of the two adjacent angles, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles, these are the two adjacent angles, then the sum of the two adjacent angles will be, it is 180 degree. It is a line, so it will be 180 degree. That is, the axiom one is, if a ray stands, you have to study this statement, this axiom statement you have to study. Okay. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree. That is, angle AOC plus angle BOC is 180 degrees there. That is the first axiom. That is, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree. From the definition of linear pair angles, we already discussed that if the non-common arms form a line, then the angles are called linear pair angles. If the non-common arms form a line, then the angles are called linear pair angles. And from this axiom, it is clear that the sum of the two adjacent angle, if a ray stands on a line, the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree. By combining these two, what we can say, that is, the sum of the two, when the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then the angles are called linear pair angles. That is, when the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then the angles are called linear pair angles. That is axiom 1. That is, if a ray stands on a line, then this sum of the two adjacent angle, or if the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree, and when the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then we can say that angles are linear pair angles. Then we can use linear pair angle, short form LPA, that we can use linear pair angles. Now we can study the axiom 2. What is axiom 1? Axiom 1 says that if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Then its reverse is axiom 2. That is, if the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then it will be a straight line. That the ray stands on a straight line. That is, if the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then non-common arms form a straight line. This, if the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then the non-common arms form a straight line. That is axiom 2. Okay, these are the two axioms. These two axioms you have to study by heart. That is the statement you have to study. Then we can move on to the first theorem. Theorem 1. What is the statement? Okay, now we can study theorem 1. That is, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles, these two angles are vertically opposite angle, that angles will be equal, and these two angles, are vertically opposite angles, then that angle will also be equal. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles, these two angles and these two angles will be equal. You have to study the statement of the theorem, that is, we can use that theorem statement in solving our problem. So you have to study the statements. Okay, then we can move on to the first question, that is exercise 6.1. First question we can study. First question, in figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, where is angle AOC? Here it is, angle AOC, angle AOC plus angle BOE, BOE, angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, angle BOD, this angle is 40 degree, that is given, angle BOD is 40 degree, and then you have to find angle BOE, angle BOE, this angle we have to find, and reflex angle COE, COE is this angle. So reflex angle COE means COE is this angle, this is a COE angle. So reflex angle COE means this angle, this much angle you have to find, that is reflex angle COE means you have to find this much angle, that means total angle is 360. So 360 minus COE only we will get a reflex angle COE. Okay. So first what you have to do, for solving these type questions, first you have to write down the steps. That is, the first step is given. What all things are given there, you have to write it. Then next step is to find. If you have to prove, then you have to write to prove. Then the third step is calculation or proof. If it is a theorem, likewise then you have to write proof. That is given. For this question, given statement you have to write. Then to find, we have to find these two angles. So you have to write down the heading as to find. Then the third step as calculation. First we have to write down the first step, that is given condition. Let us look what all things are given there. Given. What is given there? Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. That is the first one. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. That is given. Then angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. That is also given. Okay. These two things are given there. Then to find. What you have to find here? What do you have to find? You have to find angle BOE and a reflex angle. For all questions you have to write these three steps, then only you will get the full mark there. To find angle BOE and angle reflex angle COE. Then the third step is calculation. Calculation. Okay. Then first what you have to find? We have to find angle BOE. This angle we have to find. Angle BOE we have to find. What is the clue there? Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and this angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Look here. Angle BOD. Then what about angle AOC? What will be angle AOC? Look, these two angles. These two angles are vertically opposite, isn't it? So this first theorem, what is our first theorem? Vertically, if two lines intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. So this angle AOC and angle BOD are equal. That means angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. That is angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. Why? You have to write down the reason also. What is the reason? It is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, short form we can write VOA, vertically opposite angles there. So angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. So what we can write? Angle AOC is equal to, BOD is 40 degree. So we can write angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Okay, we got angle AOC here. So what you have to find? First you have to find angle BOE. It is there, AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. So by substituting the value of angle AOC here, we will get angle BOE. Okay, it is given angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Substitute the value of angle AOC here, that is 40. That is 40 plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. So the first answer we got. Then we have to find angle COE, reflex angle COE. To find reflex angle COE, first you have to find this angle COE. Reflex angle, how we can find reflex angle? Reflex angle COE is this much angle, that is total it is 360 minus angle COE. So first you have to find angle COE. Look here, we got this angle AOC and this angle BOE. Then we have to find angle COE. Look at this line AOB. Here AOB is a straight line. So what will be the sum of the angles A? Sum of the angles will be 180 degrees. So what we can write? Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. For each step you have to write the reason there. The reason, angles on the same line, that is its sum will be 180 degree here. So substitute the angle. Angle BOE and EOB are same angles. Okay, first substitute AOC. What is AOC? It is 40 plus COE we have to find plus BOE, that is equal to 30 is equal to 180 degree. So angle COE is equal to 180 minus 30 plus 40, it is 70 degree, that is 110 degree. So angle COE is 110 degree. So we have to find reflex angle COE. So what is reflex angle COE? Reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110. Reflex angle COE is 360 minus 110, that is equal to 250 degree. Okay, this is the answer. Now we can move on to the second question. Second question. In figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree, angle POY is 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2:3. Ratio is given, find C. You have to find out the angle C there. Okay, first step what you have to do? Given. What all things are given there? First you have to write down the given statement, that is given angle POY is equal to 90 degree. Then A is to B is equal to 2:3. These things are given there. Then to find, what you have to find here? C. You have to find C here. Then this angle C we have to find. Then calculation. Here ratio is given. A is to B is equal to 2:3. So we can write A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x. A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Then look at the figure there. Here x or y is a straight line. So B plus A plus, this is 90 degree, that is given there. B plus A plus 90 degree will be equal to 180 degree, that is angles on the same line, that is 180 degree. So we can write A plus B plus A plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, that is angles on the, reason is angles on the same line. Then substitute the value. What is B? 3x plus A is 2x plus 90 is equal to 180, that is 5x is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90. So what is x? 90 by 5. 90 by 5 is equal to 18 degree. So you have to find A is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 18, that is equal to 36 degree. Then we have to find B is 3x, that is 3 into 18, that is equal to 54 degree. Our question is to find angle C. Look here, where is angle C? Here angle C. Then look this line MON, that is a straight line there. So what will be angle B plus C? That is 180 degree. Reason linear pair. These are angles on the same line there. So it is linear pair. So B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So we can write B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Reason linear pair. Then substitute the value of B. It is 54. 54 plus C is equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 minus 54 degree. 180 minus 54 is 126 degree. This is the final answer. Next we can move on to the third question. In figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, perpendicular symbol, perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray line between OP and OR. OS is another ray line between OP and OR. What you have to prove that? This PT means it is prove that angle ROS is equal to half of QOS minus angle POS. Okay, first you have to write down the given statement. What all things are given there? What is given there? POQ is a line. That is given there. POQ is a line. Then what is given there? OR perpendicular to line PQ. OR perpendicular symbol. OR perpendicular to line PQ. These two things are given there. Then it is to prove. You have to write to prove. What do you have to prove? Write this one. This angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. That you have to find. Then prove. Okay. So here we can start from the right side. So first what you have to find? You have to find what is angle QOS. Angle QOS. Look here, angle QOS. How we can write angle QOS? Angle QOS is angle QOR plus angle ROS, isn't it? Angle QOS. This angle is angle QOR plus angle ROS. So we can write angle QOS as angle QOR plus angle ROS. Then what is angle QR? It is given there. It is perpendicular. So angle QR is 90 degrees. So we can write angle QOS is equal to 90 plus angle ROS. We can take this as equation number 1. Then next one is POS. What is angle POS? Look here, angle POS. Look this side. What is this angle POS is angle POR minus this angle. From this angle, if we subtract this ROS, we will get angle POS. So angle POS is equal to angle POR minus angle ROS. Then what is angle POR? If this is 90 degree, this will also be 90 degree since POQ is a line. So what we can write? 90 minus angle ROS. That is angle POS is equal to 90 minus angle ROS. Take it as equation number 2. Okay, then what is the question? Angle P, what do you have to prove? Angle POS minus angle PO. QOS minus angle POS. QOS is there, POS is here. So you have to subtract 1 minus 2. Look at here, equation 1 minus equation 2. So left side becomes angle QOS minus angle POS. Angle QOS minus angle POS. That is equal to, left side we subtract, then right side, what is it? 90 plus angle ROS. 90 plus angle ROS minus, then here it is, the bracket 90 minus angle ROS. Then open the bracket, that is 90 plus angle ROS minus 90 plus angle ROS. Here 90 minus 90, it will cancel. So angle ROS plus angle ROS is 2 angle ROS. So we can adjust it. This angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to 2 angle ROS. Therefore, angle ROS is equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Thus, we got the answer. This you have to prove. Okay, that's all. Now, we can continue the rest in the next class. Thank you.